Welcome back, everybody. My name is Jake Gallen here with Emblem Vault, and today I'm going to teach you how to vault your stack assets with Emblem Vault. Now here we go. So you're going to start over at emblem.finance. And so this is the homepage. I do want to show right here is your CoVol amount. You will need 250 CoVol to mint a vault. You can acquire that over at Coinbase or on Uniswap. It's an ERC20 token. So just make sure that you go acquire that. That is per vault. You're going to go and click on create, and then you're just going to hit next. And so we're going to type in the asset name. And for this example, I'm going to be vaulting a punk donut. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go down here and copy it. And I'm going to paste it in here. Remember that Emblem Vault is a permissionless network, so you can put in here anything that you want. I tend to look over at some of the standards that the communities have set for each blockchain because Emblem Vault has about 15 different blockchains integrated. So if you go over to OpenSea and you look at the all stacks, there's currently not too many vaulted, and it's mostly the BNS system, the .btcs. So no real rough guidelines, just wanted to show that there are. You just search all stacks. And so for the description, I'm just going to go over here and click on the homepage. And I'm going to come in and I'm just going to copy the description. You can also put in the description things like the Twitter account, the Discord, any sort of notable information about whatever asset you're vaulting, you are free to place in here. So then we're going to click next and we're going to choose a file, and I'm going to upload the image of the punk donut. So you can see here perfectly displayed, and then I'm going to go hit create. And while you're waiting, you can go over to OpenSea and look at different things that you're waiting. We're going to go over and we're going to send this punk donut into the vault once it is created. So I will show you how to do that here in a second. You're going to see here it's displaying. Here's your Stacks deposit address. So we're going to copy that. This is a sponsored event that's happening right now during this recording, so don't pay attention to this. We do sponsored events for our private service. So if you're interested in that, then make sure that you reach out to us. So we're going to mint the vault, and you're just going to click mint and then hit sign, and it'll mint it. If this is your first time using Emblem Vault, then you will have to approve minting and approve CoVol spend. So there might be 2 additional buttons before that you'll have to click. And those are only one-time interactions and signatures, and those are for first-time users. So if you are a new user, then look out for those. And so now you can see that the vault is minted because now it says unlock a vault and get private keys. And so when you click that, it burns the NFT and shows you the private keys to all of these different blockchains that you see here. And this is how we will import the punk donut into the next video to show you how to bring it back natively to a self-custodial wallet. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to click on the Stacks deposit address. I'm going to copy it. And now I'm going to go over to the punk donut. And so I'm here on Gamma. You could send it from any Stacks NFT provider that you choose, your native wallet. I'm going to use Gamma because it's easy, it's simple. So we're going to hit send, and I'm going to type in the Stacks address, and you can see that it populates here. And so we're going to hit send, and I'm going to type in my wallet address, and we're going to make sure it approves. And I don't know if you guys could see it, but then it says transfer. I'm going to transfer it over. It gives me just another confirmation. The fee for this is 0.003 STX. So really not that much. And while I'm approving it using Hyro Wallet, you can now see that it says that it is pending. So we're going to be waiting for that to send and confirm on the native Bitcoin blockchain. And so while we wait, this could take a second. I'm going to go ahead and snap my fingers, and then we will see it right here inside the balance. You'll just see it displayed. And if you'd like, you can also send in stacks in Bitcoin so that when you import it or when you unlock the vault to import it, you have those in there ready to pay the gas fees for if you want to send it to another wallet after. So that's just an extra bonus. So I'm gonna snap my fingers and then we'll see it inside. So here we are. You can see I sent some stacks in. So it says 1 stacks and then 1 punk donut. And you can even hit view NFT and it'll take you over to Gamma to verify. And you could go over here and you could click on looks rare. And if it's not rendered and says empty vault, then you can go in and hit refresh. And then you can go over to OpenSea And if it's not rendered, you could come in here, hit refresh again. And now you've successfully vaulted your Stacks NFT and assets within Emblem Vault. We'll see you guys next time.